I'm going to show you how to change the background photo on your computer or even the color on Windows 10 or any other system you're using easily. So the first thing we're going to do is on the lower left side with your little Windows box, you click right here next to the search bar and type in the word run. There we go. And then you go up here and click that. You click run. Okay, so now this comes up, and in this little box you just type %APPDATA %. And then you click OK. Now that will open up to this box. And when you come here, you go down to Microsoft folder right here. And you double click that. That opens up to this, and you have to go down here on the right hand side. Just lower that down to Windows. You go over to that file and you double click that. Now that opens up to this, and you go to Themes right down here and you double click that. Then you go up here to Cached Files and you double click that. Now this is the image that's on there right now, but you have to find another image that you want for the background. Now if I go over here onto my desktop, I have a picture here of some strawberries. What you do is you take that picture and you drop and drag it over here to the Cached Files and just drop it in like that. Now if you want that picture to fill up your entire desktop screen, then you need to resize it to exactly what size screen you have. Right now my screen is 1366 by 768, so I did resize this photo. Alright, now that's all you have to do is use this button here to click back to Themes, and then you have to you double click the Cached Files again. Now you come here and you right click your new photo that you want to set as the background for the desktop, and you just click Set as Desktop right here. And there you go. Now it's you can close this down and it's taken, and now there's the whole new photo for your background. And you can do this with colors or anything else, just so long as you have the photo on your desktop ready so that you can drop and drag it into the Cached Files. So that's about it. So if this has helped solve your problem and worked for you, I'd appreciate it if you could send me a little something at my PayPal account, which is below in the description. Have a good day. Bye-bye.